Hello guys, it's another wonderful day. I hope you guys are doing great. This is Prince TV Global. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be sharing a very wonderful topic with you guys, which is reasons why you shouldn't bathe in a public pool. Ignorance has caused a lot, but we humans, we don't hear, we don't listen. But in this video I'll be explaining a lot and I'll be opening your eyes to a lot of things. But before we continue, I have to tell you something. I have a friend who once told me about something that happened in his pool. You know, on a very cool evening after people were done swimming, the crowd inside the pool, like a Sunday evening when the crowd was like over, they all left. This my friend told me that he saw a kind of thick congealed blood floating on the water, on the surface of the pool, which means someone actually went into the pool with her monthly flow, which is her period. She went into the pool with her monthly flow, probably together with the pad, and maybe the blood floats out. So what am I trying to say? There are a lot of people inside this pool. You that is watching me might also be a victim of this mistake. You are inside the pool and a lot of things is going on inside this pool. And one thing I will tell you is, if you're in a pool where you are not comfortable, or you are seeing a lot of things going on in that pool, please leave that pool for your own good. Imagine being inside the pool and some lovers are just in one corner. You're seeing some kind of funny movement they are making, which shows that they are having sexual activity there. They are having sex inside the same pool. Who knows, the guy might have infection, the girl also might have infection. Everything is mixing in this water and also entering your body through inflammation. There are a lot of infections you can find inside the pool. So imagine going to the pool, you go there to go and contact syphilis. Yes, you can contact syphilis inside the pool. You can contact gonorrhea inside the pool. You can contact urinary tract infection inside the pool. A lot of diseases can be contacted from the pool. Imagine when the pool is crowded, a lot of things will be going on in there. Those people that are having sexual intercourse inside the pool, I'm telling you, because this is something like, imagine sharing infection, sharing diseases to people. You have infection and you're doing such kind of a thing inside the pool. Everything will mix up with the water. Through inflammation, it is entering the body. Most people have ear pulse. Imagine somebody having ear pulse and you're swimming together with such kind of a person. What will be the result at the end? There are a lot of things that people are doing and they call it fun, out of ignorance. And there are some ladies, some guys, your body is prone to infection and you will still go to swim with this kind of people. You swim in the same pool with crowd everywhere, everybody just busy, inside the pool having fun, but you don't know that you are actually on your own welcoming infection to yourself. In fact, a crowded pool is a place where you go to find your own kind of infection. Just go there and select the kind of infection you want. When you know a pool is crowded, why join in them? A lot of things will go. Some people don't know how to, some people don't bathe well. Some people armpits everywhere dirty. They will just go dive into the pool. Some people have skin infection. Some people have ear pulse. Some people have all kinds of infection can be found inside the pool. Bacteria, fungi, a lot of parasites are all inside this water, and you are downloading everything inside your body. My dear, tell me why you won't have a serious problem. Tell me why you won't have serious problem. Why won't you have a very strong problem with infection? Most things you don't know, you use your money to buy your problem. You use your money to tell yourself, infection, please, here am I, take me. These are the things we need to put into consideration before going into what? A public pool, a crowded pool, to have fun. You as an individual that went to the pool so healthy, before going to the pool you were so strong, you went to the pool, paid for your own infection, you paid for your infection, and your infection was being served to you, and you went back home with your infection. Imagine going to the pool as a healthy person and coming back from the pool with a heavy chronic infection. Why going to the pool to bathe when you observe the pool and you know that people that are there are not matured enough? Imagine bathing with children. What do you expect when children will always urinate inside the pool? Some people are doing a lot of nonsense inside the pool. Some people will even, like, at some point, you know, they will drop, they will sneeze, everything is mixing inside the water. Some people are having catarrh, they will drop everything inside the water. Inside that pool, everything will mix up together. So you as an individual, you used your money to buy your problem, you welcomed your problem. So why going to the pool to bathe? Why going to the pool to enjoy yourself, to swim, to catch fun, when you know too well there are other better ways you can do this and also have that fun? You know, I've seen someone who paid for the whole of the pool and, you know, have fun there. After everything, the person went back. You can pay for the whole pool. If you trust the people that are there, you can also maybe few persons, but not when it is crowded. When the pool is crowded, a lot of things is going on in there, and surely there is no how someone will not urinate inside that pool, or maybe something will be going on, something fishy will be going on in that pool, you know, and everything is mixing up, entering your body. Everything is busy digesting. Some are even entering your mouth, you know, you swallow and digest it. Come on, this is something most of us will really need to do. What? Learn from this video. Learn from this video, because you may not know where most of your problem is coming from. You might think maybe it is due to your girlfriend. You're busy accusing your innocent girlfriend that she's the one that, you know, infected you with maybe one kind of infection, not knowing that you actually paid for that infection when you went to that pool to swim. So please, going to the pool, I'm not saying it is bad, but please apply caution when going to the pool. Be wise enough to know the right time for you to swim, and also the time for you not to swim. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Please, your health matters a lot. Whatever you do in life, your health matters. Don't use your money to pay for your problem. Don't use your money to buy your problem, because at the end you will be the one to face the consequences. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince TV Global saying thank you. Merry Christmas in advance. See you guys in the next one. Bye.